mom,
Chef Anita.
and today we're going to show you very versatile spiced tofu tenders. So I have 3 kids at home. She's got 8 grandkids. Yeah, just saying. And chicken tenders, I mean, I know they're all the rage, but honestly, we're all about adding that plant-powered aspect to your life, you know, adding the vegetables, the fruits, the nuts, and the seeds, and the good fats with an Indian twist to it.
Absolutely.
So today they're spiced because we're using a very popular kind of spice mixture.
Garam masala, which is really a blend of spices. It's a blend of cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, you know, some, what do you call them, saying jeera, but actually it's cumin seeds. I was just getting a little confused with the words, but bay leaves and black pepper. So there's tons of spices that go in it, which are nicely roasted.
Yeah.
And I've shown you how we make it at home.
Yeah,
it's a lot of fun.
It's amazing. Okay, so let's start. We have our oven preheated at 400, and we've got some medium firm tofu here. So what we want to do is we want to cut it kind of like a tender shape. So we're just going to cut it into large cubes. Think about your kids where they use their fingers a lot, right? So it's like a finger food. Or for yourself, any leftovers of these tenders are great on top of a salad and a wrap.
Yeah, I often put them on my salad. I like them a lot.
Yeah. So we're just going to go ahead and cut them into large cubes, just like this. And then my mom's just going to make sure that they're really nice and dry. So while she does that in a plate, I'm just going to add in some cornstarch. If you don't do cornstarch, you can do arrowroot starch as well. They both are, it's just used to make sure that our tofu tenders are nice and crispy, okay? So in my cornstarch, we're gonna add some garam masala to it, a couple of shakes. Don't feel shy, okay? And then a little bit of black pepper, there, and some salt. And that's our spice mixture. I'm gonna give this a little mix. Oh, this smells so good. It smells so, so good. And now what we're gonna do, right, is we're just gonna sprinkle this on top. It's important, again, to make sure that it's dry, because like, you see when it's dry, it sticks. So now we're just gonna place our tenders. Mom, you wanna help me with that? Place our tenders on our parchment line spray. Less oil. You can even do this in the air fryer, by the way. My kids love these. I think yours will too. My kids absolutely love these.
And you know, you can also skip the garam masala and add other spices of your choice.
Yeah.
Pumpkin pie spice works really well.
Yeah, it does. It does.
Yeah.
A little extra spray to get it nice and crusty and caramelized. And this is going to go into the oven at 400 degrees.
Yeah.
Our tofu tenders were baking in the oven, or like we said, the air fryer, your choice. They smell amazing.
And delicious.
They look delicious, and they're nice and hot, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just get a plate of your choice, and we're going to plate these up. If you want them to get a little more harder, you just have them sit on your baking sheet.
Yeah.
A little longer, and they kind of like stiffen up a little bit, but I like my food really hot, and I know you do more than I do.
Of course.
Right? So that's perfect. Let's taste our tofu tenders. I would love to have this with ketchup, my inner child.
And I love it with the peanut sauce that we make. Good.
So again, this whole concept of tofu tenders is getting your kids and your family to eat more plants, okay? To eat more plants as much as they can. And with changing this into your weekly rotation, we can guarantee you that
and
your
this
family
would be
will love
so
this.
good, like just on a salad, tossed into
so
a salad. Amazing.
So good.